Welcome to Valharst Studio, where we believe your home should be your sanctuary. Today, we're diving deep into the art of cozy home decor, not just a look, but a feeling. We'll show you how to transform any room into a warm, inviting haven, explaining every visible choice along the way. If you're looking to create a home that truly feels like a comforting retreat, you're in the right place. Follow Valharst Studio for more genuinely useful long videos that help you make informed design decisions. So, what does cozy truly mean? It's a word we hear often, but its essence goes far beyond a simple aesthetic. Coziness is a feeling, comfort, warmth, security, and an undeniable invitation to relax. It's not about filling every corner with objects, but rather about intentional layering that creates depth and visual interest without clutter. Think of it as a thoughtful curation of elements that evoke a sense of peace. This distinguishes it from minimalist spaces, which can sometimes feel stark, or maximalist designs, which can overwhelm. Coziness also differs from sterile modern interiors that prioritize form over comfort. The key is the sensory experience, what you see, what you touch, and even the subtle sounds or quiet that contribute to the overall atmosphere. A truly cozy space engages all your senses, making you feel enveloped and at ease. Next, let's talk about the cozy palette. The colors you choose are fundamental to creating that warm, inviting atmosphere. We start with a foundation of warm neutrals, creams, off-whites, and grays that have distinct warm undertones. These colors act as a soft canvas, reflecting light gently and creating an immediate sense of calm. From this base, we introduce depth with earth tones. Think rich terracotta, soothing olive green, deep mocha, and soft charcoal. These natural hues ground the space and add a layer of organic warmth. The importance of undertones cannot be overstated. Avoiding cool blues or stark whites is crucial, as they can inadvertently make a room feel less inviting. Instead, focus on colors that lean towards yellow, red, or brown. Layering these colors, from your wall paint to your furniture and smaller accents, builds visual texture and depth, preventing the space from feeling flat and enhancing its overall coziness. Now, let's explore the power of texture. This is perhaps the most impactful element in transforming a space from merely decorated to genuinely comfortable. Texture play is all about layering for ultimate comfort. Natural materials are your best friends here. Soft wool, breathable linen, crisp cotton, sturdy wood, and even subtle stone. Imagine the tactile pleasure of a chunky knit blanket draped over a linen sofa, or the grounding presence of an oak coffee table. Materials like boucle and shearling add immediate softness and a luxurious feel, inviting touch. The interplay between rough and smooth textures is vital for interest. A smooth wooden floor can be softened by a plush wool rug, or a sleek metal lamp can be balanced by a textured plaster wall. Apply these textures to your furniture, selecting pieces with soft upholstery, and extend them to your rugs, throws, and even wall finishes. Each layer contributes to a rich, inviting environment that begs you to settle in. Moving into specific rooms, let's design cozy living rooms, spaces for connection and calm. The living room is often the heart of the home, and making it cozy means designing for both relaxation and social interaction. Start by creating conversation zones with your furniture arrangement. Instead of pushing all furniture against walls, pull sofas and armchairs closer together, perhaps around a coffee table or a fireplace, to foster intimacy. Opt for soft, deep seating, plush sofas, inviting armchairs, and comfortable ottomans that encourage lounging. Layered lighting is essential here. Combine ambient light from overhead fixtures with task lighting from floor lamps and accent lighting from table lamps to create a warm glow. Dimmable switches are a game changer, allowing you to adjust the mood. Finally, anchor the space with rugs that add warmth and define seating areas, and don't forget throws and pillows for an extra layer of comfort and visual appeal. If you're finding this guide helpful, remember to follow Valharst Studio for more expert advice on creating spaces you'll love. Next, let's craft cozy bedrooms, your personal sanctuary. The bedroom should be a haven for ultimate rest and rejuvenation. The key elements here revolve around softness, warmth, and minimizing distractions. Begin with soft, layered bedding. Think high-quality linen or cotton sheets, a plush duvet, and a variety of throws in wool or chunky knits. These layers not only look inviting, but also provide actual warmth and comfort. Warm, dimmable lighting is crucial. Avoid harsh overhead lights. Instead, rely on bedside lamps, sconces, or a soft floor lamp to create a gentle glow. Incorporate natural wood tones in your furniture, such as an oak bed frame or walnut nightstands, and pair them with soft textiles for curtains or upholstered headboards. Finally, minimize clutter. A serene bedroom is a tidy one, allowing your mind to relax without visual noise. Focus on essential, beautiful items that contribute to a calm atmosphere. Even functional spaces like kitchens and dining areas can be infused with warmth and coziness. Let's explore cozy kitchens and dining rooms, bringing warmth to the heart of the home. The goal is to blend functionality with an inviting aesthetic. Consider natural wood cabinetry and countertops, which instantly add warmth and character. Soft lighting is paramount. Use pendant lights over an island or dining table, and incorporate under-cabinet lighting to illuminate workspaces without harshness. Open shelving can be a wonderful opportunity to display curated, warm-toned ceramics, glassware, or cookbooks, adding personality and a lived-in feel. Don't shy away from adding textiles. A soft rug in the dining area, linen curtains at the window, or comfortable seat cushions on dining chairs can dramatically increase the cozy factor. These elements transform a purely utilitarian space into one that feels genuinely inviting for cooking, eating, and gathering. As you embark on your cozy home journey, it's important to be aware of common mistakes and how to fix them. One of the biggest errors is over-decorating and mistaking clutter for intentional layering. A truly cozy space feels curated, not chaotic. To fix this, declutter ruthlessly and then reintroduce items thoughtfully, focusing on pieces that add texture, warmth, or personal meaning. Another common mistake is using cool-toned lighting or insufficient lighting. Harsh, bright white lights can instantly kill any cozy vibe. The fix is to swap out cool bulbs for warm-toned ones and ensure you have layered lighting, ambient, task, and accent, all on dimmers. Ignoring tactile textures or using too many conflicting ones is another pitfall. If your space feels cold or uninviting, it might lack varied textures. Introduce natural materials like wool, linen, and wood, ensuring they complement each other rather than clash. Finally, forgetting the human scale and flow in layout can make a room feel awkward. Ensure furniture is arranged to facilitate conversation and movement, creating intimate zones rather than vast, empty spaces. Addressing these mistakes will significantly enhance your home's coziness. To help you bring all these principles together, here's your cozy home checklist. This practical guide will ensure your home feels truly cozy and inviting. First, review your palette. Are you leaning into warm neutrals and earth tones? Check your walls, large furniture pieces, and key accents. Second, assess your textures. Are they natural, layered, and tactile? Look for opportunities to add wool, linen, wood, and other comforting materials. Third, evaluate your lighting. Is it soft, layered, and dimmable? Ensure you have multiple light sources and the ability to adjust their intensity. Fourth, optimize your layout. Have you created intimate zones for conversation and relaxation while maintaining clear paths for movement? Finally, add personal touches. Incorporate art, plants, and meaningful objects that tell your story and make the space uniquely yours. By systematically going through this checklist, you can confidently transform your space into a warm, inviting sanctuary that genuinely feels like home.